Hello, it's 88 here with 88 Bikes, and I'm going to give you my bike check because I said that I was going to give it to you today. So here it is. We got the Odyssey Power Barons, a little bit beat up, but barely at all. They're just really dirty. And then we got the ODI long neck grips. And then we got the Kink downtown bars. They're pretty good. Oh yeah, my ODI long necks are pretty worked in, which is nice. Then we got the Sabrosa Hold'em stem. Then we have the Tree top cap, a Mission headset. It's been pretty good. We got the dirty, it's pretty muddy right now, but we got the Alienation black rim. We got a stock peg. We got a Mission hub. Kenda tires, 2.25, I'm pretty sure, or 2.2. 18 by 2.2. King kicker frame. Mission cranks. Then we got a shadow pedal. And then we got a animal pedal. And then we got, one second, let me get over the other side of the bike. Then we got the Kink sprocket. We got a Mission back hub. It's cassette, and then Alienation plain black rim, Kenda 18.2 tire, Mission seat clamp, got a premium Fat Boy seat, premium, and then we got that seat post. It's just some random seat post. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my bike check. There'll be more videos. There'll be a Mintage coming up. Mintage. Yeah, I don't know. Minutage coming up. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe.